Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. On the bench today, we're going to do a quick review on the UNI-T UT116A SMD tester. This is my first time doing a review on this this instrument. I got it a while back, but I don't know. I never really used it before because every time I used, I had to test some kind of component. I used my LCR meter to do so. So I just thought I'd go down and just do a review on this. And well, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button. All of that will be in support of the channel. Now, this won't be a real long video. It won't be a really short one. I guess I'll let it go as long as necessary. But I hope you guys enjoy it. I just want to do a few simple tests with it to see how well and how accurate it performs. It don't do a lot of tests, so a lot of measurements, but let me just bring it closer and let you take a good look at what it do, the kind of measurement it do. Now, it doesn't have a backlight. Let me zoom in a little closer. It doesn't have a backlight, but these are the, this is the measurement that it does take. Right here in the front, where the tweezers are, they do have an indicator where it's letting you know this is the negative and positive side, so don't get that mixed up. That could affect your reading. Also, here in the front, they do have the tweezers right here. And if you're guessing, excuse me, these little holes here are for if you were to, because you can't test everything with them because of those tweezers, they don't spread wide enough. But if you were to, let me just show you what I'm talking about. If you were testing something, and we'll get to that also, and see how well that works. If you were trying to test something, and these little holes right here would be for sticking some BNC banana jack cables right here, and you can use whatever probes you have to make your measurements. So let's just get right to that. But right now, first I want to do some see how well it does with some resistance and each one of the functions. Let me move this to the side so you guys can see. Okay, so let's go with these capacitors because it does do a capacitor measurement. Let's see how well it does. Okay. All right. And always don't forget, guys, to make sure that it's gonna that you have these plugged into the right port. Also, input. Also, you make sure that when you're using these kind of jacks here, if you do it, let me just show you. The banana jacks, you see how wide, you know how wide they are up here, and you get smaller down here. That can affect the contact. So when you see how loose it is, that can affect the contact. So you may have to make sure that they're in there where the BNC, where the connectors making good contact to get a reading. So let me just test this capacitor out here. Let me just short it out so make sure it won't damage the tester. And they do have auto, manual, and a scan function on here. So that's always a good thing. So let me try to get it where you guys can see. Now, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit closer so you guys can kind of look at the device while I'm making the test. I don't think you guys can see that. All right, remember this is a 1500 microfarad capacitor. I also have a 560. Let me shorten this out just I don't know if it goes that high, but we'll see. So let's do the 1500 first. And see if I have it on. I have it on scan. So can you guys see it? Okay. Looked like I saw something with 1300 there. It didn't hold though. So we tried to measure it. It tried. So let me try the 560 microfarad and see. Nope. It's not doing anything. Let me just make sure I have it. Try another selection here. There's auto, manual, auto, but I want to get to, oh, okay. We put an auto again. I'm trying to get 2 microfarads and see. Volts. That'll be it right there. So let me shorten it out again. Let me zoom back some so you guys can see me. All right. I'm gonna have to zoom in again because you guys can really see. All right, guys. 560 microfarad capacitor. So it's giving me 49. 495. So I don't have my other well, let me hold that. Let me see if it'll hold, because I want to see how accurate it may be. Okay. All right, so it's saying it's 497. Let me just get another. I don't have my other capacitor reader right here. But let me try something here. Okay, let me use the same test leads. Let me use this. Use this H-Tech. I'm comparing it with this H-Tech, guys, just to see. It was 497 microfarads it gave me, and just see how spot on it is. 497. Okay, just to see, at 497. Well, for sure, it was inspect. I don't know which one is right out of the two, but the etch tech is giving me 495, 96, 99. It's 500. Okay. Okay, that's check seems like it's gonna stop right there. But anyway, that's still it's like it's 10 points. It's 10 points off already. So the etch tech, I believe it'll go closer if I was to hold it here. But that's pretty good. All right, so that's for that capacitor there. Let's try a resistor right now. And remember, I'm just comparing the two. This is my first time really using this. So this is a 250,000 ohm resistor. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So let me just see how well it does. All right. Okay. Let's see what happened if I put that on. We'll watch it rise. Now it should be kilo ohms. Hold on a minute. That's why. All right. Yeah, there we go. Kilo ohms. Let me get it so you guys can see. 255,000. All right, that's way past spot on, but they're good. Let me just hold that. Where are we? Right. So now let's do. This one. All right. I already have it connected. All right. Let me get it off hold. And we got it, guys. The same. It's kilo ohms, 254,000. So, and that's the reading right there for the. Get this close to 255,000.5. This one is 254.1. So it's staying with it, and so that's good. So let me try something else. I don't think it'll measure. If it went up to that, it should measure this 1500 microfarad capacitor. Let me just try it and see. Okay. Let me just shorten this out and see. All right, so I'm gonna have to zoom down some. Guys, forgive me for, I'm trying to keep it in sight. Keep the camera in zoom while I do this. So 1500 microfarads. Okay, it's reading there too. 68, 69. So let me keep it on that and see how well the multimeter does. Okay. Let me shorten them out. Short it out. All right. Also, now I can set it up. Close that. Menu. Capacitance. Okay, here we go. All right. This one is, something is wrong. There we go. This one is 1369. $13.87. I'm gonna hold it right there. $13.85. Again, that's what this one says. I mean, $13.69 and $13.84. Guys, I did this meter, this tester. I really was looking for something bad to say about it, and because I for some reason I had a bad feeling about it, but I don't have anything bad to say about it at all. It did what it was supposed to do, and it was within spec. Like I say, even though I don't use it as much, I'm not going to say I won't use it. In fact, I will use it now because I know it's accurate when needed. But I'm impressed. I really am. Again, this is the UNI-T UT116A SMD tester. If you don't have one of these, you don't have to be this brand. But still, and you do electronic work, whether it's tinkering or whatever, I suggest you get one of these. I'm glad that I have it. And it comes with, let me see, it comes with an accessory. If I had it here. Oh, here it is. Hold on a minute, guys. It comes with this cover right here. And to protect it. And these are spare. These are spares right here. In case you were to damage these, just take them off of here and put another set on. So that's good. And it takes 2 AAA batteries to power it up, and it has automatic power on and power off. Guys, I think this is really nice. Look at that. There, look at the measurements. 1384, 1369. Ain't no telling if I would have probably left it on long enough, it probably rose to that. But I think that's really good. So, guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support the channel. Hope you liked the video, and I'm out.